Hello everyone, today we are going to see about C coding, how to install C coding in your mobile. So go to Play Store and then you need to type coding app. So this one is a coding app. This one is a coding app you need to install for to compile C programs. Okay. Now I have installed it already. I'll open it. After opening, you'll get a code here. You can write whatever you want. For example, I'm writing printf hello world. Now try to run the program. Run it. See, it's displayed hello world. In this way, you can display whatever you want. And when you're typing something, like for example, if I want to type scanf, then you will directly get a predefined function here like scanf. Everything will be already there, so you can easily type whatever you want here. And we have different symbols here which are used in C. Okay, you can easily do it. This is main menu. You can save your files and you can see whenever you need it. Thank you guys. Please subscribe and like our videos and share our videos. Thank you.